Y'all ever scroll through TikTok and come across something that just blows your mind? Well, I found a creator who used ChatGPT to literally write her dream life. I tried it, and let's just say, my life is about to be a whole vibe. Buckle up, we're manifesting big today. What if you could literally speak your dream life into existence? Sounds wild, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sis, we made it. You know how social media is full of wild ideas? Well, I came across a creator on TikTok who used ChatGPT to write her dream life into existence. I had to try it myself, and the results were mind-blowing. I'm telling you, this is how you can change the entire game for yourself. I used AI to help me script my luxury life, and let me tell you, it's magic. Today we're talking about the power of affirmations, manifesting your goals, and how you can start living that soft, abundant life right now. Let's get into it. Real quick, my beautiful ladies, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to share it with your girls and all the Lux babes in your circle. Let's level up together. So first things first, let's talk about affirmations. What are affirmations? What does it do? How can it help you? Speak it into existence. Affirmations are so much more than just positive vibes. When you speak what you want every day, it literally rewires your brain. You're telling yourself that what you want is already yours. You start to believe it, and when you believe it, you start moving differently. Affirmations help shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, it becomes, I am capable, I am deserving, I am living my best life. It's a mindset, and that's the first step to creating your dream life. For me, I started using affirmations to manifest financial freedom, self-development, and the soft, luxurious life I know I deserve. Like, I'm talking about waking up stress-free, bills paid once a year. The idea of paying bills every month drives me nuts. I want to pay all my bills once a year.
I know that's right.
Or sipping my morning coffee in peace. And listen, this isn't just some fake it till you make it situation. This is as real as it gets, babes. When you affirm your goals daily, you shift your energy and you start attracting what's meant for you. So here's where it gets even more exciting. I recently saw a creator on TikTok using ChatGPT to script out her dream life and ask GPT to write it as a beautiful story. And when I tell you, the way she describes it got my attention, and I thought, why not try this myself? I will make sure I leave her TikTok link so you can go check it out. I ran to ChatGPT and wrote out exactly what kind of luxury lifestyle I want to experience in the next 6 months to 2 years. Like how I want my YouTube channel to grow to 100,000 by September 2025. I want to pay all my bills once a year because honestly, who wants to stress every month about bills? Not me. I want financial abundance, freedom, and ease in everything I do.
Period.
After writing all my goals, I asked ChatGPT to turn it into a full-on story of my future. Y'all, when I read it, it was so beautiful, I legit cried. It felt like I was reading the story of the future version of myself, living my dream life. That's the power of visualization. When you read it, it feels real. And the best part? You can use this technique too. I will leave the prompts that I used in the description below. You can tweak it to make it your own. I did a little tweaking for my own personal vibe, and you should too. It's all about customizing it to fit your goals and lifestyle. After you try it, let me know in the comment what were your feelings reading you future self story. And make sure you share this videos to your friends and family that really want to live their best life. This channel is all about that. Once you've got your dream life story, you can print it out and add it to your vision board. Put it in your journal or even read it like a bedtime story before you sleep. Or read it in the morning with your coffee, whatever feels right for you. Then close your eyes and visualize it. I'm telling you, ladies, this is next level manifesting. Trust me, your dream life is closer than you think. When you wake up every day and read that story of your future, you're setting the tone for how your day is going to go. It's like aligning your energy with the universe and saying, I'm ready to receive what's meant for me. And let me tell you, it works. Every morning, I spend time with my affirmations and visualizations. I sip my coffee, read my story, and let myself feel like I'm already living in that reality. The power of your mind is insane, and when you combine it with daily affirmations, scripting, and visualization, it's a game changer. It's about creating a new reality in your mind first, so you can manifest it in real life. And I want to take a moment to speak directly to my Black queens out there. This is our time to step into our power, to manifest the luxury, the softness, and the abundance that we deserve. For too long, we've had to work harder, hustle more, and deal with more stress than anyone should have to. But that doesn't mean we can't create the life we want. Affirmations and manifestation are tools that are for us. We can have financial freedom, emotional peace, and that soft life. We can be abundant, prosperous, wealthy, rich, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. That is why self-development is important. Self-development isn't just about reaching goals. It's about becoming the version of yourself that's already living your dream life. It's about speaking into existence the peace, the money, and the happiness you deserve. So ladies, make sure you're using affirmations to remind yourself daily, I am worthy, I am abundant, I am living the life I deserve. How to make this work for you. Here's how you can get started with this manifest your dream life into a story. First, hop on ChatGPT and write out your goals. Don't hold back, dream big, the sky is the limit. Ask ChatGPT to turn those goals into a story about your future life. This makes it real, trust me, reading it feels like magic. Print it out and add it to your vision board, journal, or read it daily. Every morning or every night, close your eyes and visualize that story happening. Feel it as if it's already your reality. Pair that story with daily affirmations. Start simple. I am living in abundance. I am deserving of luxury and success. Or I attract wealth and opportunity effortlessly. I am worthy of abundance and success. Money flows to me effortlessly and in perfect timing. I am living in alignment with my highest self. I attract positive energy, wealth, and luxury into my life. I am living the soft life I deserve with ease and grace. I will put those affirmations in the description box along with the prompts. Lastly, stay consistent. The more you affirm and visualize, the more aligned you become with the life you're manifesting. All right, ladies, that's all I've got for you today. I hope this video has inspired you to start using affirmations and visualization to manifest the life you deserve. Remember, your dream life is not just a fantasy. It's something you can create if you believe in it, affirm it, and visualize it every day. Don't forget to check out the description for the prompts I used, and feel free to add your own spin to it. Also, shout out to the TikTok creator who inspired me. I'll tag her below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing one of your biggest affirmations or goals. Follow us on all social media platforms. Let's manifest this together. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep manifesting, and keep living your best life. See you in the next video.